Let me ask you something. How many times have you looked at a device, a controller, a panel, a piece of technology, and thought, I wish I could design something like this? Most people stop at that thought. They admire it, they consume it, and then they move on. But creators are different. Creators look at things and ask questions. How is this built? Why is this shaped like this? What if I created my own version? That moment of curiosity is where 3D modeling begins. Right now, I am working on a 3D model of a device, an external control panel inspired by real-world tools. It did not exist before. Now it exists as an idea, a concept, a design. That is the power of 3D modeling. You are not just learning software. You are learning how to turn imagination into form. You are learning how to take an idea from your mind and give it structure, purpose, and presence. In the beginning, it feels uncomfortable. The model does not look right. Edges are uneven. Nothing feels perfect. You spend more time fixing mistakes than making progress. And that is when doubt appears. You start thinking, maybe I'm not good at this. But understand this clearly. Every skilled 3D artist you admire once struggled with the same confusion. Every clean model started as something broken. Struggle is not failure. Struggle is learning and progress. 3D modeling teaches patience. It teaches problem solving. It trains your mind to think logically and creatively at the same time. And slowly, without you noticing, it builds confidence. The confidence to look at a product and say, I can build that. I can improve that. I can create my own version. You do not need expensive hardware. You do not need perfect tools. You do not need to be talented from day one. What you need is consistency. 30 minutes a day is enough to build skill, enough to build discipline, enough to change your future. Motivation will not always be there. Some days you will feel slow. Some days you will feel stuck. Some days progress will be invisible. That does not mean you should stop. That means you are growing. If it feels difficult, it means your skills are expanding. If you feel confused, it means you are learning something new. 3D modeling opens doors to many paths: games, animation, product design, engineering, and technology. But more than careers, it gives you creative freedom. You stop being only a consumer of technology. You become someone who creates it. So if you are watching this and you have been waiting for the right time to start, this is that moment. Start small, start imperfect, start with what you have. Because one day, someone will look at your work and think, I wish I could create something like that. And you will know exactly where that journey began. It began with a single decision to start creating.